What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be finally putting together my brand new vanity. You guys, I'm super happy and excited because my man got me this vanity for my birthday as a birthday gift, and I really been wanting one. So babe, if you're watching this, I just want to say thank you because I am loving my vanity and I can't wait to see it all put together. So today, yeah, we're going to sit here and we're going to put together my vanity. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm sitting on the floor, but I'm going to show you guys all the pieces that came in the box. So yeah, this, and it's on my bed. So this right here is like the little stool. Don't mind, I got a little snack right there. And these are the legs for the chair. It also came with a chair, so I'm gonna put the legs on there, and then the other parts go to the vanity itself. Then on my bed are the little drawers, and it already came like this, so I didn't have to put the drawers in there, thank God. And then this is another part right here, and then I have this part that is the actual mirror, and this part is gonna sit on top. So this is a 3-part mirror, as you guys can see. Here's the middle, and then this is the other part. So yeah, those are all of the pieces, and now we're gonna get started trying to put this thing together. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try to put together the seat first. I'm gonna attempt to do this whole thing by myself. Let's see if I can put together a whole fireplace, and I didn't did this before. I helped my mom put her fireplace together, then I can do this vanity, and it had way more steps than this. So apparently, this is the book, and it looks like it only has 4 steps, so this should be easy, right? Yeah. So let's get started on the seat. Now I gotta do this all the way back over. No. Alright, so update, y'all. Listen, I have been struggling trying to put this doggone vanity together, y'all. And sis got, my fingers are swollen in red. You probably can't see on camera, but I promise y'all, I can't. Listen, I should have waited and got some help because I'm getting kind of annoyed. But I'm gonna attempt again because I'm not gonna give up. We're gonna try. I had to just go back and unscrew all these freaking legs off because your girl put them on backwards. Let's just put it out there. But listen, I'm gonna take a little break and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see how this gonna come out. Okay? Okay. Seriously, y'all gotta redo this all over. Oh my God, my fingers. They make this little tool hurt so freaking bad, y'all. Oh my gosh, my finger is red. Word of advice for people who have assemblies like this: this little tool right here, this thing right here, this hurts. Okay, my fingers are like super red and swollen because of this. This little tool hurts. Like, could y'all give us something a little bit better than this? Because I know I ain't the only one that when you try to put something together, your fingers don't hurt. Like, come on. Like, I gotta undo all 4 of these legs because I made a mistake and my freaking fingers hurt. Like, I wanna cry right now. Seriously. Like, I'm literally, if y'all can see, I'm using a t-shirt right now to take this apart because my fingers hurt that bad, and the shirt ain't really helping either. Like, yo, I cannot. Alright, y'all, so I kind of finished up the chair, but not really. But I had to take a break because it was kind of frustrating. So now we're on to the bigger piece, which I'm trying to put the leg on, but this is taking forever. So I'm going to show you guys when I get down doing the finishing product. Alright, y'all, so here's a little update on how I got it so far. So I did have to go back and redo the legs, and it took me a minute, and y'all, my fingers hurt like hell, but that's okay. It's worth it. Alright, before I put this mirror up, I just want to show you guys this is what the mirror looks like. Yes, three-way mirror, hunty. So you just take those two holes, and I got two screws, and you're gonna stick it on the back of this little drawer piece right here. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that part and that finished look. Alright, you guys, so I just connected the mirror to the second shelf, and so far, you guys, we're almost done. I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna do the chair off camera so you guys can finally see the finishing look. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do the chair over, and I'm gonna show you guys the finishing product. Alright, you guys, so I have finally completed putting together my beautiful vanity that took forever, but your girl got it done. So you guys ready to see? Also, I'm going to add some accessories, but I'm going to show you guys that as well. But I want to show you first without the accessories how everything is looking. So without further ado, in 3, 2, 1. Woo! You guys, my vanity is now completed. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm gonna open up these mirrors for you guys so you guys can see that it is now done. Excuse the mess in the background, that's for me. I'm wrapping everything. But yeah, this is my vanity, y'all. I love it. Thanks, babe. I love you. So, you guys, I'm gonna add some accessories onto my vanity that I've been wanting to add that I think will look cute. And yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go get that, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so I finally finished and I added my accessories. Are you guys ready to see my beautiful vanity? In 3, 2, 1. You guys, look, I added a couple things onto my vanity. Hold on, give me a second. Let me zoom out just a tad bit so you guys can see better. So over here, I just went and I bought these lighthouses because I wanted my colors to be like a periwinkle, almost like a teal, but not really a teal, but I guess you could say this is teal, and white and gray kind of vibes. But of course, you know, this has a little bit of brown in it, which is okay. Like I said, it can match with the seat and color coordinate with that way. Also, I have my little mermaid here, which I bought her, as you guys can see. See if I can focus. So yeah, that's my little mermaid that I got. She's so cute. And over here, I bought these little seashell, like, I guess you could call them ring holders. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them just yet, but yeah, this is the overall look. Over here I have another lighthouse, which I really like. So yeah, that is my vanity. Also, I want to show you guys that this vanity, I'm also using it like from my phone, so I'm gonna sit that there. This vanity has 2 little drawers up here, you guys can see. So yeah, maybe I'll do another video kind of organizing and putting things in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. And down here I have 3 bigger drawers. I mean, they're not that big, but I'll figure something out. It's like I said, what I'm gonna put in there. So those are the bottom 3. So yeah, I think I like this vanity just because it's the perfect size. Of course, I'm gonna move this stuff out of the corner and put my makeup organizer right there. But yeah, this is the overall look. I love it. Thanks to my man once again for buying me my vanity, because I kept talking about a vanity for so long, and he was like, babe, I'm gonna get your vanity finally. And I was like, yes, thank you, babe, I love you. So yeah, this is the finished look, and I'm super excited. So look for a lot of videos coming soon on this vanity, because your girl gonna be filming here a lot. So yeah. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video of me finally putting my vanity together. Yes, more videos are coming soon, so stay tuned since your girl got her set up. Also, be on the lookout for a room tour. I'm gonna give official room tour of everything once I get everything in. Not right now, because I don't have everything that I want in my room set up correctly. So yeah, just be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that video, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Mwah. I go Komaro, I go Koro, I go Komaro.